Hi, I'm Brian Mahoney, business owner, national speaker, and #1 best-selling author. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get anywhere from $500 to $5.5 million guaranteed to start your business, to begin your dream. When you start a business, you must have a business plan. Here are some of the things that the Small Business Administration suggests that you have as part of your business plan: an executive summary, a snapshot of your business, company description, describe what your company will do, marketing analysis, research on your industry, market, and your competitors, organization and management, giving them your business structure, service or product, the products or services you're offering, marketing and sales, your marketing and sales strategy, funding requests, the money you'll need for the next 3 to 5 years, financial projection, supply all info like balance sheets, an appendix, which is optional, but it will include resumes and permits. The next thing after having a plan is you're going to need some money for your business. One of the sources of income is government assistance. At the Catalog of Federal Domestic Assistance, there are over 22 federal assistance programs. Then you need to incorporate your business. There are several types of incorporation. One is limited liability company, which structure is a hybrid legal structure that provides the limited liability features of a corporation and the tax efficiencies and operational flexibility of a partnership. An S corporation. Its structure is a corporation created through the Internal Revenue Service tax election. You need to consult a small business attorney when you are selecting what type of corporate structure you're going to have for your company. Then you need to purchase equipment. Two of my favorite sites for equipment are johndon.com and jannylink.com, simply because they've been in the industry for a while and they put their prices up. Many of the companies for carpet cleaning equipment will not even show you their prices on their site unless you give them your email address and other information. And then finally, you must take action. You have to have a plan, but then you have to do it. You have to execute it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe so you can get tons of amazing new video content. Click the bell so you get notified instantly when we upload one of a library of new exciting videos that are on the way. Please like this video. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Hit the link in the description and make your own happy ending. Hi, this is the U.S. Small Business Administration's website. And sometimes I think people think it's hyperbole, but oftentimes the excuse for not starting a business is money. So I wanted to show you on this website that they have business guides and all types of resources to help you. Just about everything is free. They even have a program called SCORE that will give you a mentor who's already done the business you want to do, and then they will uh, assist you. But this is what I wanted to show you. As you go down for the SBA guaranteed loans, um, and they talk about the benefits, the competitive terms, getting counseling. But this is what I wanted you to see: is you can get from 500 to 5.5 million to fund your business. So if money has been an excuse for you not to start a business, then there are ways to get it. And one is through the tax dollars that you're already paying. They're giving you back your money. So don't feel bad because that's what rich people do. I listen to these channels and they talk about how the difference between rich people and poor people is that rich people do everything themselves and pull themselves up by their bootstraps, and you should not accept help. You have to do it yourself. Well, they accept help. They have no problems accessing government loans, and then once they become rich, they have no problems giving themselves tax breaks to take even more money. So you should take advantage of these government programs because it is your money.